you like ice cream? I like ice cream. And everybody likes ice cream, isn't it? Come, let's see how to draw ice cream in this video with shapes triangle, circle and rectangle. First, we will draw a cone ice cream. Draw triangle as a cone. Now, draw a circle on top of this cone. And another circle for strawberry flavor. Another circle for pista flavor. We will draw another ice cream with the help of shape rectangle. Draw a rectangle and color it with chocolate brown. Now we have to draw a stick for this ice cream. Yummy ice creams, isn't it? Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe button. See you in the next video. Tata. Bye.